What's up guys, we're working on the project car again today, and today I'm going to show you how to install a pretty rare part you don't get to see too often, and that is roof rails. Alright, so first of all, ignore any mouth moving you see on the screen. The original audio for this part got destroyed, and therefore I'm having to overdub this after the fact. But this is what the roof rails look like, and they sit in this little rail slot right here on the roof. And I've already cleaned off the old material and put this 3M double-sided tape on the bottom. I do use the kind that's made for moldings and for emblems. Make sure you get that because the adhesive is stronger. Now, the only thing we have to do first is remove the little cover that's already on here. So what I'm doing is some panel poppers, and I'm taking basically a folded up rag to pad that so that I don't accidentally damage the paint. Then all you have to do is find a good spot here somewhere to get this panel popper under the edge. And once you get it started, it's pretty easy to remove. Then once you get it popped up enough, you can get your fingers under it. You can just pull the thing straight up. It will usually leave some adhesive under it. So that will be the next step, is cleaning out this channel and getting it ready for the roof rail to go in. Now, for my particular case, it was fairly clean to start with, but what I decided to do was go over it with some brake clean and a rag just to dry it out good, get whatever material I could off of it, and make sure that the new double-sided adhesive will stick to the channel like it's supposed to. You can even use what you use to pry it up to kind of scrape away if you've got a couple spots there that are hard-headed and don't want to remove or don't want to come off. Then once you're happy with how clean it is, you just pull the backing off of this two-sided tape, which is usually a little bit more difficult than it sounds. Then just install it into the channel. I have found that it is best to start on one side and work your way across, as it's kind of hard to get these completely lined up, and if they're not lined up properly, it will not fit down in the channel like it's supposed to. And it can be kind of hard. You may have to force it a little bit to get it all the way down into the channel, because sometimes it'll try to stick halfway down. So I did have to do a little bit of manhandling to get it to sit all the way down in the channel and adhere like it's supposed to. Then just make sure as you're putting it on that you tuck it under your windshield seal in the front and in the back. And that is it. They are installed. It's not too hard to do. So tell me, first of all, what do you guys think? I think these look pretty good. They came in a gloss black, and I think I'm going to leave them gloss black. I think it's a good accent for this car. But like I said, let me know what you think down in the comments. Drop me a like on this video. Make sure you're subscribed, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching, and peace.